Hey everyone, now buckle up, because today we're diving into the world of pure opulence. Now we're not just going to create any old polo shirt, we're going to hand make an 18 karat gold infused masterpiece. Now that I've made the ingot, it's off to the SA to get an official stamp.
Now hold on, I can already see the gleam in your eyes. But before you reach out for your credit card, let me tell you, this isn't hitting any store shelves. This is a one-of-a-kind creation, a custom piece being made exclusively for the one and only Big Zoo, the big TV personality and maestro of the kitchen. Now I invite you to join me as I pull back the curtain, revealing the magic that transpires with our jewellery workshop. Now you're about to witness craftsmanship at its finest, elegance in every detail. Why not make sure to never miss a moment of our fascinating journey? Hit that notification bell and you'll be the first to watch our latest videos as they come hot off the press. So sit back, get comfy, and let's dive into the golden adventure. And I promise it's going to be nothing short of sparkling.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please follow us on social media. Now I'm James from Blackwell Jewelers and I really look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.